boys and girls. This weekend is the 4th of July. And the 4th of July, a lot of times there are lots of fireworks to go visit. But this year, there's not going to be any big fireworks. So your mom or dad might still get sparklers or something like that. But I found a way to have fireworks inside. No, we're not going to use fire. We're going to use milk. How can we make fireworks with milk? I'm going to show you. You need milk and dish detergent, Q-tips, and food coloring. Stay tuned. I'll show you how. Okay, so let's get this going. I found a big clear bowl. You can use it in a smaller one or a white bowl, but I found the clear one. So I'm gonna put like a cup of milk in the bowl. You'll need Dawn dish detergent, Q-tips, and food coloring. So what you'll do is just put little dots of food coloring all around. Oop, that was a big dot. Do different colors. So I've got red and like a lime. Let's do blue. Okay, let's see how that works. So now what you do is you take your Q-tip and you put it in the Dawn dish detergent. You don't want it, you don't want like too much, but you want it covered. And you have to touch the food coloring. And look what happens. Get ready for the fireworks. Is that cool? Let's do red. And green. Now there's nothing in this that would hurt your child, so you could let them gently touch the different colors to make the firework explosions. So just simply, easily touch the different colors and watch it explode. I'm not even gently doing it, and it's still working. I don't know how much we can do this. I'm gonna switch Q-tips just in case the color makes a difference on the... Okay, let's see how much more fireworks we can get from this. That one's still going. Ooh, the blue makes a big explosion. Oh, let's see, oh. Look at that. I'm not quite sure what I did there. Oh my goodness, it's some type of a chemical reaction. I didn't even have to touch anything. That might just be a blob of dish detergent. I'm gonna put some over here. I'll let a drop fall in there and see if that's what it was. Oh. I like that even better. So I said not to get too much, but it actually is kind of nice to get a lot because then it works by itself. I mean, we've still got these two that are still going. You can see the little dot where it's coming from. Inside fireworks. I do not usually like to use food for experiments because it's wasteful, but I don't even think it was a cup of milk that I used. And if we didn't put the soap in it, you could still drink it, but I don't think it would taste very well. Well, I hope you enjoy this if you decide to do it. Bye-bye.